afternoon. I am here to share about my reflection of Negros Oriental State University, VMQP. The vision states that how this school is really competitive, especially if there is a contest to the other school. This university represents the students to compete because they want to show how the students gain knowledge from what they have taught. In Kabilin especially, dancing, sports, etc. They represents the school just to showcase how their talent and ability really good is and bring the name of the university because it is a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. And for me, this is the best school that would probably give the best learning for the students. So in this area, we knew that this school is really competitive, not only here in this country, but all over the world. This area created the most eagerness feeling for me because it states that the university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant and responsive research and extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. And I am inspired through this because this university wants to build a good professional person that will lead in the near future. This school wants to educate the students clearly that they have to be independent, knowledgeable, and responsible person. Because, as of now, this is the very important things that the person really need to have, and it is useful as of now. So, in this line, it is all about the quality of this university. It is to provide quality instruction, research, extension services, and production, as well as comply with applicable regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. It is how they gave their best in order to give the good quality of education to the students, so that the students can learn that would help them to become a successful one in the future. This time, it is how they build the person from outside to inside appearance, which is being more spiritual and to be patriotic, especially to this land. Because NERSO is a home for a true professional leader, and it also a building of your whole personality and your capacity of being respectful and excellence. Excellence in all aspects is what this school wants. It encourages students to learn new things in life for the betterment of their future, and it helps them to develop their character in terms of being capable students among the rest the ability or the skill of the students will be able to enhance, because Negros Oriental State University is our pride, our hope, and our future. And that was my reflection of the Negros Oriental VMQP. Thank you.